Well guys, now what did I buy again? Let's take a look. It comes with a nice case, soft case. Grinding wheels, more grinding wheels, the attachment for the guard. Oh, this handle looks pretty unique. I saw this at the store. This is pretty badass right here. And we have the grinder itself. Alright, let's check this out, boys and girls. Alright, so what we have here is the Kobalt Brushless Angle Grinder / cutoff tool. It's their item 0790025, model number KAG 424B-03. Now when I bought this with a deal they had. Buy a $129 battery pack and pick a tool that's in a list for free. Here you see the receipt. Shows that I got the angle grinder for free. Not bad at all. So let's see what we get first here with the accessories. We have a cutoff wheel. Okay, you get one of those, 5" by 0.04" thick by 7/8 diameter arbor hole, and you get 5 grinding wheels, same specs, 5" by, well, this is 5" diameter by 1/4" thick by 7/8" arbor hole. 5 of those, 1 cutoff wheel. Alright, next we'll take a look at the tool bag. I typically don't use these. I'm going to put them in a hard case, but for those of you that do, it's got a hard bottom. There we go. Looks like it gives you plenty of room for stuff. Okay, I did neglect to say that this does not come with any batteries. Just as you see here, no batteries are included. It takes the 24-volt system. Next, I want to take a look at this handle. Okay, so there's multi-positions here. You can use it right or left on the side or up on the top, should you desire. Screws in just like that. Okay, so 3 positions depending how you're holding this, what you're doing. Very functional. But when I saw this at the store, I thought this was pretty badass on the display model. Because if you look at this end here, this is the wrench. The wrench is stored inside the handle. You can never lose the damn thing unless you lose the handle. So you can use this spanner wrench then to unlock the nut there. It's so really nice. So, and it's cut out here. You put it in like that, and it even has a nice, fits right in there, nice and snug. It's got a nice rubberized grip. Fits the hand really well. So I was impressed when I saw that at the store. I gotta say, I've really become a Kobalt fan with their tools. I really like the way they've designed them. But this is unique, and I really like that. Alright, since we have an extra guard, I'm going to go look at those next. Now this is interesting. They've got this system here, which a lot of them have that. This quick adjust system. You pull this back, and you can rotate this to suit what you're grinding to deflect any sparks. Then you can also take the thing off, and you adjust it back here with that Phillips head screw bolt. Once you get it adjusted where you want it, then just push down on the thing like that, and it's locked in place. But what I like is that not only did they give you what you normally get, an open guard, you get this closed guard too for more security, more safety, again depending what you're cutting. So that, I really like that. That was it's really nice. Well designed tool so far, really like it. Now we'll look at that tool. The switch, it's got like a deadman on it, so you don't accidentally turn it on, and that's good. You don't want to accidentally. So you just push forward on it. You can see back here. Okay. That allows you to turn it on and activate it. It does have a nice rubberized grip. Of course, this is your battery chamber here. And the other thing that it has that I haven't shown yet, it's got an arbor lock. So when you want to change blades, you just push down on this, and when it gets to right there, okay, push down. When you get to the part where it goes down, that will now allow you to use your spanner wrench, take the nut off, and take a wheel off and change it. Now with that, I've got a 4 amp hour battery attached, and it's got a really nice balance. With the battery installed, it's balanced very nice. Well, let's see what she sounds like. Alright, let's take a look at that spindle area. Take off the retaining nut. Okay. And then you've got the backing piece. And you can see where the shaft has two flats on it, so that when you put this back piece on, it locks in and cannot rotate. But I'm going to put that grinding wheel on. Make sure that I've got the spindle locked.